So can you see this resume? This resume is ATS score is 95. Don't worry guys, I am explaining to how to make a ATS friendly resume and get the dream job. So I give you 3 AI tools to make a ATS friendly resume and get the good job and dream job. So I recommend you can use the 3 AI tools, and last one is my favorite to make the resume and get my dream job. First one is overlap. You open the Google and type the overlap AI and click the first link. After you sign up and see this type of window, and go to the ChatGPT and paste your resume and write the code is latex. Can you convert me the latex code? And he is convert into latex code, and go to the make file and pasted it and click the recompile it. And after recompile, this resume is with ATS friendly resume. This ATS score is mostly 95 plus, and you click the download button. After you download the resume and upload the any type of website, naukri.com, indeed.com. And second one is enhance.cv. and after you sign up and open the window this type of, and there type of multiple templates, you can choose the second one and just wait it, or resume is make it. And this type of resume you make it, this is looking like a good resume. And after you go back and get your resume score, you can upload your resume and check the how much score is your resume. This is processing, and just wait it, just process and analyze your resume. What's your experience, resume skills, which type of recommend to improve your resume. And this is ATS score is 75, and this left side of issues, and you can solve it and make a good resume. And third one is consulting.ai. You after the sign up, and you can see this type of window, and you upload resume and upload your resume in PDF file, and this resume is waiting for. And this one is good website to make good resume and ATS friendly resume, and you can use any type to. I recommend you can use the consulting.ai, and I recommend you 3 AI tools. This make a good resume, and this resume is 91 score. So this is good resume, and you can use to any type of website, and click the button download and download it. So thank you guys. Can you press the subscribe button and like button and hit the bell icon to see the next video.